Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you this Rockingham Trio early Georgian set with a coffee cup, teacup and a single saucer plate. Date range on this probably 1820 through to 1830. We think it's Rockingham. We can't be absolutely certain because, as is the way with a lot of this china, they didn't apply any factory marks, but we have got a pattern reference 3666, which is this beautiful, very nice greeny grey with that hand applied decorative gilt. And just look how bright, and let me just get the teacup out of the way to show you this coffee cup. Absolutely gorgeous detailing on this, really well retained, lovely high peak arch supported handle here, again with fantastic gilt retention, beautiful line around the basil pedestal, foot and mid, of the midline of the coffee cup, but in absolutely gorgeous condition. That show you the Victorian open bowl teacup, again beautifully decorated, all hand gilded, scallop trim, good gilt, again fantastic handle, again mirrors the design on the coffee cup here. These were made as early trios, picking up on the early English style where you'd have one saucer plate and a combination of either a teacup or a coffee cup depending on what you're drinking. No deep well on the saucer at all, just a slight depression. That's all you get on these early pieces, picking up again the sort of Chinese design of the 18th century. But these are later than that, obviously. We think it's Rockingham. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's so beautiful. And just to have the option in that to display it as a trio, but also to have that beautiful design of the three pieces with that handle and the fine gilt. Really rare to find them in such good condition, and this one's a beautiful example. We've also got, in addition to these trios, we are selling, because this has come as part of a mixed tea set, it wasn't complete, would have been a very large dinner service probably originally, or tea service. So we've got these trios, which are the classic Georgian design with the two teacups and the saucer plate. We've also got available, if you're more traditional or modern, the wide rimmed Victorian open bowl style teacup, as it later became known, and then the saucer plate and a small biscuit or side plate. So sort of more traditional, what we're more familiar with when you look at trios. So do have a browse through the website, Rockingham 3666. If you just do a search on the website when you hit Vintage and Antiques on 3666, it should pull up all the pieces we've got in this particular pattern. We've got an absolutely magnificent Grand Sucre milk jug coming online, and I think 3 cake plates display square. As I say, this was probably part of a very large dinner service, which would have been extremely expensive and very fine china when it was first made. Thanks for watching.